Hi guys, it's Richardlizhu, back with another video. Almost exactly 1 year ago, I unboxed the $600 men's Louis Vuitton Slender wallet. If you haven't seen that video, click over here to check out the unboxing video. That was for my 27th birthday, and now it's just recently turned my 28th birthday, and I've been using this every day for the past year. So we're going to take a look at how well it's held up to daily use. Let's get started. So here we just have the box, unchanged. We're going to set that aside, and we're going to take a look at the wallet specifically. So this is how I usually run it. I keep 8 cards in here: my credit card, my Costco card, 2 Target gift cards, my driver's license, my company credit card and debit card, and a badminton card. And then I also keep a crisp $100 bill in there just for emergencies, because I don't really use cash. All right, so in my daily configuration, it weighs 121 grams. Kind of the only issue that I've ever faced with this wallet is that sometimes if I drop it and it goes like that, you see like the card kind of is like half out, and sometimes maybe it'll drop out. And so that's like one of the usability issues, and that would be fixed if the cards were maybe facing inward. But so that's one issue that I faced there. So let's take all the cards out, and then we'll take a weight measurement of the wallet by itself. So I've taken out all the cards. And let me take out the cash as well. And so the wallet by itself weighs 70 grams exactly. Wow, that's very accurate. So 70 grams, so I have 70 grams of wallet and 50 grams of stuff inside my wallet. So let's turn that off now, put that aside. So now, let's take a little zoom in and see exactly how this wallet has held up over 1 year of daily use. So as you can see, the front is pretty much, you can't really tell any wear and tear. So, and then let's take a look at the edges. The edges are really crisp. Honestly, not much wear here at all. I think these marks here probably, I think, happen over time. So I guess those are the only areas where, we see some. The edge, if anything, has gotten glossier over time, which is something that I personally enjoy. But really, the only area where there's some noticeable wear and tear is kind of is on the bend right here. As you can see, the edge paint has kind of started to crack there, and it's actually the same on the top side. I'm trying to get it to show. Yeah, once you get the light on it, you can really tell, or you can kind of tell. So that kind of makes sense, or that's the only area that's kind of bending and flexing. So as for the rest of it, I think it's held up quite well. Almost no wear and tear. So as you can see, the Louis Vuitton logo inside, there's not, it hasn't faded away or anything, and it hasn't rubbed off on the other side. So another area which this actually happened maybe like a month or so in, but there's kind of like a little loose stitch here, you see? I mean, honestly, it doesn't bother me at all, but it's just not perfect. And as far as I've read, if I take it back to Louis Vuitton, they would fix that for me. But honestly, I have this like thread zapper that I bought that like I feel like I could just use, but I don't want to accidentally damage the wallet, so I haven't used this yet. And I think later on I could just take this to Louis Vuitton and they would fix this right up for me. I think. And also, I read for the edge paint that they'll be able to touch up the edge paint. But yeah, I actually haven't had any issues with the edge paint. I was actually a little worried about the edge paint because I was worried that it would get it would flake off and whatever, because I've actually read that. And there's been no inside there's been no wear and tear or anything like that. Here's my old business card that I forgot about. But yeah, I don't keep anything here. Normally I would put a receipt or a parking ticket here every once in a while. But as you can see, the wallet has kind of molded to the cards, right? So as you can see the outline here. So yeah, once you put cards in, it's kind of hard to run it without it. So if I run anything less than the 8 cards now, it'll be a little bit loose and more prone to falling out if I drop it or something like that. It'll definitely be looser. However, that's something that'll happen with all leather wallets, as the leather will mold to the contents that you put in it, which can be both a pro and a con. Also, the reason that my Capital One Venture X is more prone to falling out is because it's pretty heavy for a card. And because it's pretty thick and made of metal, it weighs 17.5 grams compared to around 5 grams for your standard plastic card. So honestly, I would say that this wallet has held up better than I expected, but worse than I had hoped. I guess for a $600 wallet. And yeah, does that make sense? Like, yeah, I actually really like that saying. Better than expected, worse than hoped. Being so expensive at $600, I'd hope that there would be absolutely no damage. But it's not magic. It's simply a luxury brand. Obviously, I'd hope there would be absolutely no damage. But honestly, after a year, not too much wear and tear. So I think it's held up great for my 1 year check-in. And, I used it literally every day. This has been my only wallet that I've ever used this year. And so, yeah, here's to looking forward to many more years with this wallet. And yeah, if I have any updates, I'll be sure to upload them on my channel. And, the question is a $600 wallet worth it? Well, for me, my girlfriend bought it for me. So do I think it's worth it? I think any wallet would have sufficed. I mean, with $600, you could literally buy a new wallet every year for 30 years. But you don't get the, quality or luxury associated with the wallet. So honestly, I'm like justifying it to myself. I do think it's probably held up better than a cheaper wallet, for sure. But I'll continue to use it. I love this wallet. Yeah, I think it makes a great gift. And yeah, this is how my $600 Louis Vuitton Slender wallet has held up over 1 year of daily use. I hope this was informative for you guys. Subscribe if you want to see future videos. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.